Hi, I'm Devin Hernandez, and NASA helps us understand climate change by telling us that climate change is a long-term shift in temperature, weather patterns. Climate change also hurts the Earth by bringing drought, flooding, and damage to the ecosystem and infrastructures to the Earth. The way NASA helps us understand climate change and how to solve it is by sending satellites to help us give images of the Earth and giving large amounts of data to look at the variations of the Earth's orbit. NASA in 1969 sent a spacecraft to space, which was the first to gather oceanographic data that shows the measurements of the sea ice and ozone layer. Spacecraft gives us much more detail by giving us the atmospheric temperature, water vapor, and ozone, as well as the amount of ultraviolet radiation reaching our atmosphere from the sun. Climate change is important because over the years, starting in 1979, the ozone layer has begun to thin over the years, which causes the Earth to heat up much faster, causing glaciers to melt, which emits more water in the air, changing storm patterns to have more severe storms. The way to fight climate change is to use less energy by lowering your heating and cooling systems, switching to LED bulbs, and using energy-efficient electric appliances like washing your laundry with cold water or hanging things to dry instead of using the dryer. That's not all. NASA solutions are to increase energy efficiency, increase the use of renewable energy, measuring and reduce NASA's direct and indirect greenhouse gases as emissions, conserve and protect water resources through efficient and storm management. Lastly, the difference between climate change and global warming is that global warming is the rise in global temperatures due to mainly increasing concentrations of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. Climate change refers to increasing changes in the measurements of climate over a long period of time, including precipitation, temperature, and wind patterns. Learn more about career and technical education at cte.org and NASA at HUNCH.